I like this one. This is my favorite part. This is the removal of the adware spyware virus on your computer. Seeing these pop-ups means that you have a virus on your computer, which puts the security data at a serious risk. It's strongly advised that you get your computer fixed as soon as possible. By watching this video, you may receive computer glitches on imaginary networks. I'm gonna repeat. By watching this video, you may see imaginary computer glitches for even computer glitches that are not real. There's about to be a virus, so just wait. For not putting music on WDKX, I am going to crash the task manager because I'm not able to put songs on WDKX. So now it is time to crash.
Caution. A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected. Caution. A virus has been detected.
Preview. Preview.